No, I'm scared a lot. I can't speak on this stage because I have never spoken on the stage in my entire life. Abdullah Sir, how can you assure me? How can you build my confidence? Abdullah Sir, how can I trust you? How can I believe you that you can make me an effective and confident public speaker? So I will make a promise now. I will make a final promise now that yes, of course, I can transform you and I can make you one of the best public speakers, one of the finest public speakers, one of the most confident personality and person in the world. But today, I welcome you all in the free 8-day series of public speaking. And today we have the day 7. And in the day 7, of course, we're going to talk about embracing stage fright. It means fear. फालतू का emotion आ रहा है in the mind. फालतू का emotion आ रहा है. What is the fright? Oh, is there lion on the stage? Of course not. Is there bomb on the stage? Of course not. Is there poison on the stage? Of course not. Is there any shocking thing on the stage? Of course not. Is there any fatality on the stage? Of course not. Is there anything fatal on the stage? Of course not. So what's wrong with you, with your mindset? What's wrong with you that you go on the stage, you start shivering, you start, thinking, oh my God, I can't do this. And actually it happens with you. Let's talk about embracing stage fright. Today we are going to talk about the stage fright. Stage fright is all about your mindset because you don't have skills, you have not experienced it, you don't know about this, and you have not experienced it, and you have not actually skilled up yourself. That's why you have the stage fright and you get frightened on the stage, you get panic attacks, you get anxious, you get stressed, and you get so many greasy palms and sweating face and not working brain. So let's talk about it. Introduction, understanding stage fright. Physiological responses we have, right? When we face this fright or whenever we face this fear, we get physiological responses like we get sweaty palms, heartbeat goes very high, very speedy, BP goes like this, jump, 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 and BP comes down, right? You have so many unwanted responses, unintentional responses which comes directly and which disturbs you, right? So that is just because of your fear, and that is just because you get panic attacks, and that is just because you get frightened on the stage. So ladies and gentlemen, please try to calm yourself. Mindset shift, right? We have mindset shift, which means nerves. We have the nerve systems which actually drives from here to there, from this direction to this direction, which disturbs us a lot, which pushes us down, which pushes us down, which pulls us down, which panics us, which stops us, which terminates us, and which makes us pessimist, right? Because we have to understand that these are all chemical locha. That's why no pocha. Please try to keep this in your mind that it disturbs your mindset, and your mindset just goes moves and this makes your nerves very very uncomfort. Please don't let it be. After that, techniques for reducing anxiety. If you want to remove your anxiety, if you want to remove your fear, if you want to remove your fright, just relax and calm yourself, right? Here, few points have been mentioned, just like that deep breathing, right? Just deep breath, right? Just have a long breath and a deep breath. Please, please try to understand. It's very important. Before you step on the stage, just have a deep breath. Relax yourself, right? There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to worry. There is nothing to think a lot. There is nothing which can disturb you a lot. Just have a long breath. Relax yourself. Visualization, right? Always when you just move on your bed, right? Visualize something positive. Visualize some some good results in your life, visualize some good things in your life, visualize something great in your life, you will get some good results in your life. Visualization is very important, that you are speaking in front of 1,000 people, they are appreciating you. You are speaking among lakhs of people, they are appreciating you. You are speaking in front of the professors, to the musicians, to the magicians, to the great corporators, right, to the great entrepreneurs, business people, and they all are appreciating you blindly and bluntly, right? Because they just trust you and they have lost themselves in you, because you are speaking with that great thought, with the great mindset, with the great confidence, with the great contest, with the great psyches and words, right? That's why they have gone mad and they have gone crazy for you. So you have to just keep in your mind and that visualize yourself. Get visualization. This visualization is very important. This is the technique of visualization. Whatever you visualize and assume, imagine, you're gonna get it, you're gonna do it, you're gonna be it. That's why it's very, very important. Positive affirmation. Remind yourself. Remind to yourself that you are a positive person. Remind to yourself you're gonna get it. Remind to yourself you are the most confident person. Remind to yourself you are the most handsome person. Remind to yourself that you are the most confident and amazing personality. Remind to yourself that of course you can do this. Remind to yourself that nobody can compete you. Remind to yourself that nobody can beat you. Remind to yourself that nobody can demoralize you. Remind to yourself that nobody can demotivate you. Remind to yourself that nobody can pull you down. Remind to yourself that nobody can make you negative. Remind to yourself that nobody can break you until and unless you want. That is the positive affirmation to yourself. And you have to do this, ladies and gentlemen. You have to do this at any cost and anyhow. You have to do this. And if you believe me, that you have to do positive affirmation at any cost, any time, any moment. You open your eyes, you do it. You close your eyes, you do it, because you have to think positive about yourself. That gives you confidence. After that, building confidence. Building confidence through preparation, right? And now you have to understand, and you all need to understand that building confidence through preparation, it means that rehearsing key points, right? Rehearse your key points, which is important, or those points which are important for you. Just rehearse those key points. Always highlight those points. Mahatma Gandhi ji stated that if you want to find yourself, you have to lose yourself in the service of others. You just highlight those quotations which you want to pick as a key point. And then after that, practicing with a friend, like practice with your friend. You speak in front of your friend, speak in your front of colleague, colleague, pals, right, folks. You will find that they will give you some feedback, and those feedback will work for you. But starting small, right? Always start with a small word, small sentence. Don't be a kind of storyteller in a single day. Don't be a kind of philosopher in a single day. Don't try to be a publisher of the book and magazines and Forbes, right? It's just in a single day, because it will take time and you have to give time. That's why many a little mechanical and start always, or begin always, or initiate always, just with a small step or with small things, right? It's very important. After that, techniques for staying calm on stage. So when you want to stay calm on stage, just relax yourself and pausing and breathing, right? Have some pause and breathe. Just relax yourself, believe in yourself, relax, enjoy your soul, enjoy your connection with your soul and your mindset, your mind. Focus on the masses, not yourself. Don't focus so much on yourself like you are focusing on your cloth, you're focusing on your makeup, your dress up, your hairstyle, all the skin and all these. Please don't focus. Just focus on your message, on your delivery, on your contents. These are going to help you, right? And open gestures to project calmness and confidence. Always try to give an open gesture. Try to be open. Try to be open with your body language, with your gesture, with your posture. This is just going to help you. And these all techniques will help you to master the art of public speaking and master of communication, and these will help you to eradicate and remove the fear of public speaking and the frighten of the stage. Hope that this lesson was great for you, was profitable and fruitful for you, and this is going to just help you to bring up a great transformed body language, a transformed personality in you, and this is just going to remove, and this is just going to help you to remove the stage frighten, right? Ladies and gentlemen, of course, I believe that you all can understand this, and this is the last thing that where we have mentioned the information. If you want to follow us, if you want to just get some information, you can contact us at any time, at any moment. Thank you very much. Remove your frighten, remove your fear, be one of the dynamic and most magnetic public speakers, and this is going to make you the one of the most handsome and one of the most charming personality in the world. Thank you very much. God bless you.